How to create an offer. After you have successfully added your wine onto the system, you can create a sales offer. Making offers is done uniquely from your company's account on WorldWineList. Just go to the Sell Wine section, check the wine you want to sell isn't already on offer on WorldWineList, and if it isn't, click the Add New Offer button. Choose the wine. Remember, if the wine you're looking for isn't on WorldWineList, you'll need to click the Add New Wine button first. We talked about how to add wine to the system and create a technical sheet in the previous video. So, now you can create a public offer, which means that other representatives of companies on WorldWineList will be able to see it. Or, if you prefer, you can create a targeted offer for a specific company. You determine the price, the minimum quantity the buyer must take, how long the offer is valid for, and the terms of delivery in the warehouse. If you haven't entered the details of the warehouse yet, click on the Add New Warehouse button and fill in the name and address. You can also add a warehouse by going to the Sell Wine section. Simply select My Warehouses, Add New Warehouse. Also, you can decide the country or countries where this offer will be made available. Or you can specify the country where your offer won't be made available. If there are no territorial restrictions on your offer, just leave this section empty. If you're exhibiting at an upcoming trade fair and showcasing this wine, we recommend you add this information so that any potential buyer will know you'll be there and can taste the wine and can make a purchasing decision. After your offer has been published, it will appear in the feed. Here you'll see the main parameters of the wine, as well as a link to it and all the information relevant to the sale, meaning the price of the wine at the winery, the offer price, the transaction coefficient, meaning WorldWineList automatically compares the offer price with the price at the winery. For example, a coefficient of 0.8 means that the seller's price is 20% lower than the price at the winery. A coefficient of 1.2 means that the price is 20% higher. Our coefficient of 0.9 means that the offered price is 10% lower than the price at the winery. The quantity of products that the buyer must take, delivery terms, the validity period of the offer. If you want to put together another similar offer, you can copy the offer you've already created. You may want to change the price, the quantity, or terms of delivery, etc. In any case, you can create an unlimited number of offers for each wine you want to sell. In the relevant sections, you'll then be able to negotiate with prospects, track buyer requests, and the general progress of the deal. If you have any difficulties, use the feedback form or write to us in the chat. We'll be glad to help. Thank you for watching this video, and here's to doing great business with interested partners on WorldWineList.